What magical supplement have I been taking over the last few months in order to almost completely get rid of my leg cramps? Well, you probably saw in the title, I'm taking magnesium. And I'm taking about 250 milligrams every day, and I have not had a leg cramp since. I would normally, at least once a month, or if not twice, just wake up with excruciating pain. Just so painful, just wanting to please go away, so bad. And how did I come up with the idea of taking magnesium? Well, there's a YouTuber that I follow a lot, and her name's Rosie O'Kelly. And she does a lot of these chooching vlog videos. And what's chooching? Chooching is basically when you explore a city by just going out and walking. And she'll be carrying her little selfie stick, and she's basically live streaming the whole thing for hours. And she likes going to California. She likes visiting graveyards, cemeteries. One of her favorite places to go is Vegas. And so that's how I got the idea. She said basically that she'd go out for these long walks and she would just have this excruciating pain, sometimes where it would just immobilize her and she'd be on the ground crying. And so one of her viewers said, hey, you need to try magnesium. You know, it's really good for cramps. And she said she's been taking it for the last year, and she hasn't had hardly any cramps after taking magnesium. Now, you say, well, why wouldn't you just get it out of the food source? You know, food's supposed to have magnesium, potassium, all these vitamins. The problem is that our environment has been so depleted of these vitamins that it's not in our food sources anymore. And so what food should have magnesium? Pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, spinach, cashews, brown rice, white rice, salmon, avocado. These should all have good sources and plenty of magnesium, but a lot of them don't. So that's why you need a supplement. Now, what else is magnesium good for? Well, it supports better sleep. Like we talked about, it's good for anxiety. It should promote good bone health. It may improve PMS symptoms. It may prevent migraine attacks. It's very anti-inflammatory. May promote heart health, and yes, it does. And some people have said that when you get a cramp in your heart, that's actually a heart attack. I don't know if that's true or not, but it kind of makes sense, right? May support healthy blood sugar levels. It may combat depression. May boost exercise performance. So there's all these good benefits of just taking an added a magnesium supplement. Now, I know a lot of magnesium you can get that's also got potassium in it. And I used to think potassium is what you should take for cramps. But I think that magnesium, along with potassium, they benefit each other. And they actually help promote each other and magnify the potency of each other. So you could take this, but there's also good supplements that you can get on Amazon that has both potassium and magnesium. All right. I appreciate you watching my video, and I want to link you up here to the video on what I take for snoring and sleep apnea, and just watch it. I'll put it up here. All right, I do appreciate watching, and please subscribe. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got, what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think, my subscription doesn't help. Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.